The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is stirring up excitement in the APS-C mirrorless camera market, promising substantial upgrades over its predecessor. While Canon has yet to make an official announcement, everything points to a possible release in the next year. Designed to cater to both photography enthusiasts and semi-professionals, the EOS R7 Mark II is set to enhance key aspects such as image processing, autofocus, video capabilities, and ergonomics. The big question remains: will this new model be a groundbreaking leap or simply an incremental update? Let's dive into the details. Key features and expected improvements. The original Canon EOS R7 made a strong impact with its 32.5 megapixel sensor, dual-pixel AF2 system, and high-speed burst shooting capabilities. The EOS R7 Mark II is set to build upon these solid foundations, offering more refined performance for users who want top-tier results without stepping up to full-frame cameras. One of the most highly anticipated updates could be a new sensor, which may include an updated stacked or backside illuminated design. This change would enhance readout speeds, reduce rolling shutter issues, and improve performance in low light, all of which are crucial for serious photographers. With the new Digic X processor, or a next-gen version, the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to deliver even faster performance, enhanced dynamic range, and greater color accuracy. Whether you're shooting stills or video, these improvements could make it one of the most appealing choices for avid content creators. Autofocus Evolution, Autofocus, AF, is another area where the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to make significant strides. The original R7 was already a powerhouse with its dual-pixel AF2 system, but the Mark II is expected to incorporate Canon's latest AI-driven subject tracking technology, similar to the one found in their flagship EOS R3 and EOS R6 Mark II models. This next-level AI could allow for more precise and quicker tracking of subjects, particularly human eyes, animals, and even vehicles. This would make the R7 Mark II a standout choice for wildlife, sports, and event photography, where fast-moving subjects are often the challenge. The camera's autofocus speeds and improved accuracy in complex conditions could elevate it above many of its competitors in the APS-C category. Enhanced video features. The video capabilities of the original EOS R7 were impressive, with 4K 60p, oversampled footage and 10-bit C-Log3, which made it a solid choice for videographers. However, the R7 Mark II could take things to a whole new level with potential 4K 120p recording. This addition would directly challenge rivals like the Fujifilm X-H2S and Sony's APS-C offerings. Content creators and videographers who love working with slow-motion footage will find this upgrade especially valuable. As with all high-performance cameras, thermal management will be a key consideration. While compact bodies like the EOS R7 can sometimes struggle with overheating, Canon is likely to address this issue by improving the thermal efficiency seen in models like the EOS R6 Mark II. There are also rumors of internal RAW video recording, but it's more likely that Canon will offer 12-bit compressed RAW output through HDMI, keeping the camera's form factor compact and lightweight. In-body image stabilization, IBIS. Canon's in-body image stabilization, IBIS, is already one of the best in the industry, and the R7 Mark II is expected to refine this system even further. Handheld shooting will become even smoother, benefiting both stills and video. Videographers who frequently rely on gimbals could experience a noticeable reduction in micro-jitters, particularly during low-light conditions. This advanced stabilization system could make the R7 Mark II a great choice for professionals who often work without the luxury of tripods or stabilizing rigs. Price and competitors' pricing will play a crucial role in the Canon EOS R7 Mark II's success. When the original EOS R7 launched, it was priced at around $1,500, making it a relatively affordable option for an APS-C mirrorless camera with high-end features. Given the expected upgrades, the Mark II may see a price increase, possibly falling between $2,700 and $1,900. While still more affordable than Canon's full-frame offerings, this price point would put it in direct competition with the Sony a6700 and Fujifilm X-T5, both of which also offer advanced features aimed at enthusiasts and semi-professionals. Canon's APS-C mirrorless cameras have consistently attracted photographers and videographers who want the best of both worlds. Professional-level features, without the size and cost of full-frame systems. The R7 Mark II is expected to continue this trend, offering excellent performance for wildlife photographers, sports enthusiasts, and hybrid shooters who need a well-rounded camera for both stills and video. If Canon can maintain competitive pricing and address the limitations of the original R7, such as rolling shutter issues and thermal efficiency, the Mark II could solidify its position as the best APS-C mirrorless camera on the market. The future of APS-C mirrorless. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a powerful contender in the APS-C mirrorless market. Its combination of a refined sensor, next-gen autofocus, enhanced video capabilities, and improved stabilization makes it a fantastic option for photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're capturing fast-moving wildlife, shooting high-speed sports, or creating content for social media, this camera promises to offer speed, precision, and versatility that could surpass its competitors. The upcoming EOS R7 Mark II could very well be the tool that many semi-professionals and enthusiasts have been waiting for to elevate their photography and video work.